Hey everyone, welcome back to HiFi AV Tech. Today, we're diving deep into an incredible all-in-one music system that has been making waves in the audio world, the Cambridge Audio Evo One. If you're looking for a premium wireless music system that combines high-end sound, cutting-edge tech, and elegant design, this might just be the perfect choice for you. So, let's break it down and see if it's worth the hype. First impressions matter, and the Cambridge Audio Evo One is a real showstopper. With its modern and sophisticated design, it instantly adds a touch of luxury to any room. The full-color display gives it a premium feel, and it's packed with features that allow you to stream music in multiple ways. But it's not just about streaming. You can also connect your TV, turntable, CD player, USB drive, and more, making it a versatile centerpiece for any home setup. Let's talk about sound. The Evo One features an impressive 14-speaker array, each with its own dedicated amplifier. This setup includes 4 tweeters, 4 mid-range drivers, and 6 woofers, designed to project sound in multiple directions. The result? Rich, immersive, and room-filling audio. Whether you're listening to classical music, hip-hop, or jazz, the clarity, depth, and balance of the sound are truly next level. Setting up the Evo One was surprisingly easy. Using the StreamMagic app, I connected my Samsung SSD, loaded with music, logged into Qobuz, and within minutes, I was up and running. The interface is smooth and intuitive, making the whole experience seamless. If you love hassle-free music streaming, this system makes it effortless. Now, let's talk about placement. This is a sizable unit, measuring over 2 feet wide and a foot deep. It's not something you just tuck away on a tiny shelf. That said, it's an excellent choice for apartments or smaller spaces. You can place it under a wall-mounted TV, pair it with a turntable, or set it up as a stylish table radio. I personally placed it in my living room, and it blended beautifully with the decor. Where you place the Evo One can affect the sound, but thankfully, it comes with room correction features in the StreamMagic app. When I first set it up in a bookshelf, the sound was a bit boomy. However, with just a few adjustments using the speaker placement correction tools, I was able to fine-tune the sound to perfection. There's also a 7-band EQ, but honestly, I didn't even need to tweak it further. The default setting sounded fantastic. I tested this system with everything from rock and jazz to classical and electronic music, and the Evo One handled it all beautifully. Whether it was the razor-sharp guitar clarity and deep punchy bass in Black Sabbath's Technical Ecstasy, the warm and intimate vocal depth of Julie London's For the Night People, or the rich harmonics and intricate string textures in Julian Bream's Baroque guitar, the Evo One consistently delivered clean, distortion-free sound. Even at higher volumes, the audio remained clear, immersive, and expansive, making it a true high-fidelity experience. One of the best things about the Evo One is the sheer number of ways you can listen to your music. You can control it using front panel buttons, the included remote, or the StreamMagic app. It supports Qobuz, Spotify Connect, and Tidal Connect, which means you can stream directly from your favorite apps. Plus, with AirPlay 2, Google Cast, and Roon compatibility, you can sync it with multiple speakers for a multi-room setup. It even has Bluetooth and UPnP, giving you endless streaming options. This isn't just an audio device, it's a work of art. Designed by Cambridge Audio's head of design, G.D. Martin, the Evo One combines industrial elegance with premium materials. It's built with FSC-certified walnut wood panels and aluminum, making it not only durable, but also environmentally responsible. At 32 pounds, it's hefty, but that just adds to its high-end feel. The Evo One is a high-resolution stereo network player with built-in amplification and speakers, featuring 14 drivers powered by 50 watts RMS each for a truly immersive sound experience. The 6.8 full-color display provides detailed track information, cover art, and menu options. It supports Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, AirPlay 2, Google Cast, and Roon, allowing for seamless streaming. The Stream Magic Gen 4 module ensures fast music retrieval and high-quality playback. With a 7-band EQ for fine-tuned audio adjustments and multiple connectivity options, including optical input, USB-A, RCA phono input, and HDMI ERC. This system is built for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. One user said, "I really wanted to love it, but mine had a speaker vibration issue, so I returned it. If restocking had been sooner, I would have swapped it instead of getting a refund. Other than that, the sound was promising." Another said, "I picked up the Evo One last month, and it has been a fantastic addition to my setup. The minimalist design is stunning, and the sound is detailed, clear, and balanced. Even at high volumes, there's no distortion. The app is user-friendly, and streaming via Bluetooth and AirPlay has been flawless. If you're thinking of upgrading your audio setup, this is absolutely worth it." So, is the Cambridge Audio Evo One worth it? Absolutely. If you want a premium wireless speaker system that delivers audiophile-grade sound, a sleek modern design, and plenty of connectivity options, then this is an excellent investment. It's built for those who appreciate high-quality audio and refined aesthetics. Yes, it's on the pricier side, but given the performance, versatility, and craftsmanship, it's worth every penny. Would you consider adding the Cambridge Audio Evo One to your home audio setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more hi-fi AV tech content. See you in the next video.